Good morning, children, and welcome to our Friday assembly. Now I'm going to deliver the Star of the Week certificates outside of each classroom door. See you in a minute. And the Star of the Week for reception goes to Ava for very confident to hold a sentence writing. Well done, Ava. And the Star of the Weeks for Year 1 go to Henry for very good reasoning and explanations, and also to Sienna for always doing her best, even when it's tricky. Well done. And to Year 2, well done to Cassini for a wonderful rhyming spell, full of great ideas, and for making an excellent wand. And up to Year 3, well done to Sam for a super designed settlement showing both physical and human features, and also to Jack for really enjoying his reading and completing lots of books. Well done. And in Year 4, well done to Katie for excellent work and progress with her reading. And up to Year 5, well done to Eli for his great ideas in writing this week, and also to Nicole for fabulous maths work on equivalent fractions, improper fractions and mixed numbers. And I've also got 5 Accelerated Reader Bronze Awards for James, Isabel, Catherine, Emily and Victoria. Well done to you all. And up to Year 6, well done to Madeline for demonstrating an excellent understanding and application of decimals and percentages, and also to Shelby for an outstanding formal speech. Well done, everyone. And now we go on to our part of the assembly called Thinking Aloud. As part of our personal development series of assemblies, I welcome Mr Barber to you, who's going to talk to you about your mental health. Thank you.
Morning everyone. This week's assembly is all about Children's Mental Health Week, which is coming up next week. Come into the classroom and I'll tell you more. Now, the theme of this year's Children's Mental Health Week is Express Yourself. Express Yourself is all about sharing thoughts, feelings and ideas through creativity. This could be through art, through music, through writing, dance and drama, or photography and film, or just doing activities that make you feel good. We're going to watch a video now. See if you can spot the different ways people enjoy expressing themselves. Just as we look after our physical health by doing things such as eating well, exercise, getting enough sleep, we also have to look after our mental health, which is our mind. Now, one way of caring for our mental health is to notice and to share how we are feeling. And expressing ourselves in creative ways can help us do this. Doing activities we enjoy is so important and good for our mental health, especially in difficult times. We're all different, and we'll all find different creative things we enjoy that make us feel good. Over the next week, we would like you to share some of the creative things that you do to make yourself feel good. Remember to take photos and share with your teacher. So, next week, on Friday the 5th of February, we're going to have a Dress to Express Yourself Day. It's an opportunity, whether you're learning in school or at home, to wear an outfit of your choice that expresses your wonderful personality and what you enjoy doing. You could wear a really bright colour, a colour that expresses your mood, or something that shows what you enjoy doing. You will have the opportunity to make a donation to a charity called Place to Be, who work closely with children in schools up and down the UK supporting their mental health. Next week, be ready to share all the wonderful creative things you've been doing that make yourself feel good. Thanks for listening, everyone, and I hope you have a lovely weekend.
Here you go. Nice.
Thank you, Mr Barber, for your wonderful assembly. Now we have Mr Thomas. He's going to tell you about a very exciting opportunity.
Hello everyone, Mr Thomas here. I've got a very exciting opportunity for you. Would you like to learn a plastic cornet or a plastic trombone? If so, then let me know. I have taken over the brass lessons until the end of the year, and I'm really excited to try and get more of us playing beautiful brass instruments and making a big noise about it. It's going to be lots of fun. We'll be able to do lessons over Zoom, or if you are in school, we can do lessons in school. If you want to learn any instrument at all, just let me know and we'll try and sort that for you.
To finish, I'd like to read you a short extract from the book Wonder. Mr Brown smiled, nodded and turned around to write on the chalkboard again. Precepts equals rules about really important things. Like a motto, someone called out. Like a motto, said Mr Brown, nodding as he continued to write on the board. Like a famous quote, like a line from a fortune cookie, any saying or ground rule that can motivate you. Basically, a precept is anything that helps guide us when making decisions about really important things. A few kids raised their hands as he pointed at them. They gave their answers, which he wrote on the chalkboard in really, really sloppy handwriting. Rules, schoolwork, homework, what else? Family, parents, pets. One girl called out, the environment, he wrote, our world, sharks. Without saying anything else, he wrote down, who we are. Who we are, he said, underlining each word as he said it. Who we are, us, right? What kind of people are we? What kind of person are you? Isn't that the most important thing of all? Isn't that the kind of question we should be asking ourselves all the time? What kind of person am I? And to finish, you can't blend in when you were born to stand out. Thank you and have a lovely weekend, everyone.